Welcome to the Cymap 2019 update video. One of the first key features of the software is new dongle-less licensing. No longer will you be required to utilise USB data keys. It's all done online via our licensing service, which is accessed via the licensing account which you can set up. This means that given an internet connection, by putting in a username and password, you can license the software on your PC. You will need to uninstall the 2018 previous version because there'll be compatibility issues if you don't. The key feature of the Cymap 2019 is the introduction of the 18th edition, which was introduced on the 4th of January. The 17th edition will be continued for the next 2 years, and you will still be able to run the 17th and the 18th together. You will need to uninstall the Cymap 2018 version because there will be compatibility issues. A key new addition is the introduction of split boards, where the engineer can split the boards into sections, subdividing, for example, into lighting, small power and HVAC. This will enable you later on to assess your metering requirements. The board is broken down into sections: the main section or the final sections, where the RCBOs or devices on the final sections can be applied. So this gives the subboard section details, which can be broken down into the component parts. Then you have the main board section, which handles the main general information on the board itself. Certain design caveats and regulations are hard-keyed into the program. So for example, if your board is set up as a dwelling, if you introduce a lighting circuit, the program will insist that you have an RCD of less than 30 milliamps. If you attempt to make the RCD larger, it will prevent you doing so in line with the regulations. As part of the upgrade, the Circuit Protected Devices databases have been updated with new additions to suit the 18th edition requirements. For example, the introduction of AFDDs. Also introduced are the addition of RCBO devices, which can be used at parent or sectional board level on final circuit boards. As surge protection is now a requirement for the 18th edition, provision has been made on the wiring general information to add your surge arresters based on the risk assessment methodologies and the installation. This also allows the user to introduce surge protection devices on individual cables.